In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to use Pandabuy points. So let's get started. So first of all, you're gonna head over to pandabuy.com and then you're gonna log in and click on your profile and then head over to User Center. So once you're on this page, you're gonna see here Pandabuy points. So as you can see, in my case, it's 0 right here. So you can go down to this option here, my points, and you can see here as well, my points are currently 0. But let's say you have about, let's say 700 to 1000 points and you want to use them on something. Well, all you have to do is go over to website cnfair.com. So once you're on this website, you're gonna click on this drop down menu and then click on available soon. Here you can choose the products you want to buy. So for example, you can open this one. Let's say I'm gonna open it. Oh, you should go to redeemable, and then let's say you want to redeem this one right here, this hat. You can click on it, and then as you can see, you can copy the redeem code. So you're gonna click copy redeem code. It's automatically gonna copy it, and then you can head over to back here and then click on redeem items. You're gonna paste the code you copied here, and then you're gonna click redeem with points. In my case, I have no points, so I can't buy this product. However, you might have enough points and you can order that product. So alright guys, that'll be it for the video. I hope it helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.